everyone, this is Mr. P, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Master Sword beam. So in case of you guys who don't know, the Master Sword beam is a beam that the Master Sword allows you to shoot. So it doesn't matter which type of Master Sword you have. I have mine upgraded one level, but it doesn't really matter. Any of them will do. So but one thing is you have to make sure that you have max hearts. So as long as you have max hearts and so like basically if all of your hearts are full, you can do this. So basically you would just press the button you would to throw a regular weapon, but it won't let you throw the Master Sword and instead will let you use a beam if you have full health. So I can demonstrate this. Press the R button to throw and then you can shoot the beam. So I think it does around 10 damage usually, but it's great for sniping out enemies. So also if you don't have full health and try to do this, it will, okay, so let me show you. Okay, so if you don't have full health and you try to do this, it will just swipe at the air in front of him. So it won't do anything if you don't have full health. Alright, so I'm gonna show me taking out that bokoblin real quick. So, and this is great for taking out enemies from afar. Like that. Okay, so everyone... Oh no, this again. Alright. I don't have the Thunder Helm yet. Alright. Okay, so everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.